Some time ago I watched a video about a cannon and I started wondering, can we make one with 3D printing? So the first thing what I did is go to Fusion, design my cannon and then go to Slicer and set the settings to 100% infill, hoping it would blow up in my face. We do need some kind of explosive, and mostly was used gunpowder, and to make that we need silver, charcoal and potassium nitrate, but I want to keep it simple and I'm gonna just use some old firecrackers. And after 3D printing all the parts for the cannon and getting the powder and also make some tools to load the cannon, I was ready to test it. So I got a cannon here. For the first shot we are going to try just some bit of gunpowder because I'm quite scared it's gonna explode. I already have experience with that. So that's also why I have some glasses with me, but let's see. And for the first shot I'm gonna not put anything in the barrel to shoot. Just some flooders. Let's see if it works. Now is the moment where we all be waiting for. Is it gonna work? And I can answer that very quick. No, it is not gonna work. So I tried again. I filled up with powder again, loaded up with a piece of paper, and tried to shoot it again. So it only gave them small puff. So I thought it would be a good idea to use all the powder what I got in one go and try to shoot that. I have no idea why I was so scared, but it didn't work and I have to try something else. So I have one idea left, to use a really long fuse. Maybe it will help ignite the powder, I thought. So after using a bit of gunpowder and poured it in a piece of paper, I was ready to shoot again. And this time, just look to the video and you see I was very happy. So with the new motivation, I got the ideas how I could improve this thing. The cannon did eventually work, but wasn't that great. It took me many tries and yeah. So to improvement I can use another powder from this single shot. It is much more pieces and it's supposed to shoot stuff, what it also does. And I have also another ideas to make a bigger barrel. This one is 60mm and I want to go to 8, maybe improve, maybe not. I don't know. And also where the fuse goes, I saw that a lot of gas escaped, so I'm also gonna make that hole a little bit smaller. And I hope that gonna make it better and make it works. Hopefully. Here I have powders side by side and there is a big difference. So here's key. This powder burns quite quickly, but this burns just fast, really fast. Okay, the first thing what I'm gonna try is just still the normal powder and see if it's gonna work with a bigger barrel. Let's load it. So the first shot with the bigger barrel, it works. And now I'm gonna try it with a bullet. So I have fully set it up, fully loaded, just with the normal powder, and I'm gonna shoot it at some cardboard and see if it's gonna penetrate it. As you can see, it did shoot right in the corner, I think. Yeah, I think just measure 2. It works. It's only not very strong, but it works. Now let's try the other powder. So this powder works much better, and it suits completely to the cardboard, and I'm gonna try now just a piece of wood. Also nu laat zien ook, it did works again, and it works just amazing. It almost penetrated the wood, it only made a big dent and also almost came out the back, but I think it works really good. It's also quite dangerous, but I have now something else to try. I made some ballistic gel and I put down below the link how you can make it also. But anyway, with this we can test how deadly it's gonna be. Here you can see how far it will penetrate, and it wasn't that far. To comparison, here's my bow shooting and a block of ballistic gel. So you can make a 3D printed cannon, and it works surprisingly well after finding the right powder. It is not really deadly with the ballistic gel test, but it will probably hurt. And if you like this video, maybe give a comment how I can improve this thing and subscribe. Thanks for watching.